like this. I combine together with this very simple sign. So this we call grand staff. Hello, my name is Ken. In this video, I would like to show you the grand staff with two clefs, very popular one, the treble clef and the bass clef, or G clef and the F clef, or song clef and the Fa clef. Okay, anyone has already watched my video last time about how to read the music notes just in 10 minutes watching. So in this video, you will continue with the bass clef, and we combine together and the staff of treble and bass together. So we call the grand staff. Okay, let me review a little bit about the video before. So before, I told you that three things you need to remember. The first thing is the staff. Okay, the second thing is a clef, and I showed you the treble clef and how to recognize the note names and the order of 7 basic notes. Okay, so now we continue. Let me draw the treble clef for you first. This is a treble clef. Okay, and let me draw another clef, is the bass clef. So this is the bass clef. We start from the 4th line. Okay, and we have the 2 dots after that. Okay, so we show the center. You will see that the center of the treble clef right at the 2nd line, isn't it? Right at the 2nd line. And the treble clef, another name of treble clef is G or zone. So I know this is zone right here, G. Okay, so this is G. Alright, and on the bass clef, the center is on the 4th line. These 2 clefs, very popular, very basic one. Okay, so it's on the 4th line of the bass clef. And I know this is named as F clef or Fa clef. Okay, so I write it right here. So the note right here on the 4 lines is F. Okay, or another name is zone, or this is Fa. Very easy, very easy. All right, now if we combine these 2 together, so we have the staff, okay, with the treble clef. So this is 1 staff, isn't it? Okay, and another one with the bass clef, we have another staff. So 2 staffs combine together. All right, if we combine together, what do we have? Now let me combine like this. I combine together with this very simple sign. So this we call grand staff. Grand staff. Okay, grand is a big one. So that combine a lot of notes. Usually for the piano, the treble clef, we use the right hand to play. All right. For the bass clef, we use left hand to play. So combined together, we can play the whole, big piano keyboard with 88 keys, right? Very easy. So now let me write all the notes for you. Okay. Very easy. So this is song right here, right? So I write on the first clef first. I write on the first staff. In treble clef, we have here. Right, I write everything. Yep. Okay, one more. Write everything. So for the bass, I do the same thing. I do the same thing. Yep, same thing, isn't it? All right, just do in different direction. One is going up, one is going down. All right, now let me write the order of 7 notes so I can, based on that 7 notes order, apply on the grind staff and define all the notes names. Okay, very easy. So I start with A, B, C, D, F, G, right? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Yes, I remember the order now. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and repeat, right? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, like that. All right. So now I remember the direction that I need to follow. If we look up, if the notes is going up, we need to follow the direction from left to the right. So if the notes going down, like we look the notes underneath, all right, then we need to go backward from the right to the left. Very easy. Like this. Yep. Okay. Now we start with G right here because treble clef, we need to find the center, and that is a mock note. All right. We set that as a model. All right. Very easy. So G is right here. I know this is G. All right. Okay. So now, very easy. And for the bass clef, I know this is F right here, right? So this is F. All right. So this is F. Very easy. So now, let's do the treble clef first. We're going up. The next note is above the G, isn't it? That means going up. Then we need to follow the left to the right. So we have G right here. All right. The note going up above, then on the right. This is A, isn't it? Let me write above. So yep, A. And then the note after A, above A, is on the right of A. All right. So this is B. Above is on the right. So we just follow this direction, left to right. So this is B, and then so on. We follow, you know, the order C, D, E, F, and G. See, very easy, isn't it? Now, if we go backward, the notes right here. Okay, so compared to the G is next to it, but below the G. Then we know if we look down below, we need to follow the direction from right to left. So we have G here, right? And this below. So this is F, isn't it? F. And then so on, E. And then D. All right, we do the same thing with bass clef. So bass clef, we have the F right here. F. So same thing. Okay. The next one here, this note is below F. One step below F. So we need to follow the order from right to left. Below is E, and D, and C, and B, and A, and G, and F. Okay, same thing like the treble clef we do on the bass clef. So we have here this note above the F. Okay, is G, of course, and A, and B. See, those notes in combined in the grand staff. Very easy, very easy. All right. Now, let me show you what are the note that share between two staff, share between two clefs, okay, is this note. Below the D right here, if we want to write lower, we need to have extra line. In music, we say ledger line, okay? So I write the extra line, just enough to write the note on that. We don't write very long, we don't write very short, just enough for the note on that, okay? Long enough for the note on that. All right, see, like that. So if the bass clef, we want to write higher than the B right here. We want to write higher than this B. So we need to use extra line, okay? Or in music, we say ledger line. All right, and it's also this note. Now, with this note, what is the name of this note? Let me count from the treble clef. This is D, isn't it? This is D, all right? This is D. So below D in the treble clef, below, remember, D, we look down, below we look down. Then we need to count from the right to the left, okay? So we have D right here, and below D, right from right to the left. Then we know this is C, all right, this is C. Big C, isn't it? Okay, for the bass clef, this is B, this is B, this is B. All right, this is B. Very easy. This is B. And this note above the B in bass clef, right? So we need to follow from the left to the right. So B, left to right, is this note, is C. You see that? You see that? All right, so this C in the first ledger line of, you know, below the staff of treble clef and above the staff of bass clef, same name, same note, sound the same, okay? Then this is, we call middle C, okay? Then this, we say this is middle C. Very easy, middle C, right? This is share between treble clef and bass clef, and that's it. That's it for the grand stuff, okay? And thank you for watching. If you see this is helpful, please subscribe and share, and also give me the thumb up, okay? Thank you very much. And next video, I will show you some exercise to read the notes, okay? And also the notes above the staff and below the staff, okay? With some extra lines or ledger lines, okay? Ledger lines. Very easy. Bye-bye and have a good day. See you.